Okay, friends, we just finished the lion vocab, and now we're moving on to retelling a story, your BME sheet, lion BME. So this sheet has two sections on it, and you can do two different ones if you like, but we're going to just fold it. We're just going to focus on one half of the sheet. So what we want to think about is what happened at the beginning of our story, that's the B. In the middle of our story, that's the M, and the E is at the end of the story. So we're going to write about what happened at the beginning, the middle, and at the end, okay? So at the very beginning of the story, Badger and Honey Guide were friends. So we don't have a ton of space, so I'm going to use the word they to describe Badger and Honey Guide. I'm going to write they were friends and a period. I'm going to start with a capital letter. And you can write this too. If you want to write something else, you certainly can. They were friends. So at the very beginning of the story, everything was great. And then here, I'm going to draw a quick picture of Badger and Honey Guide. And remember, you can always color and finish your pictures later, but just a quick little picture. You can't see my picture very well. Let me move this down. There, that's better. They were friends. Okay, then what happened next in the middle of the story? So think about what happened. So suddenly they weren't such good friends anymore, and Honey Guide was very upset with Badger. Yep. So in the middle of the story, Honey Guide was leading Badger on a hunt for honey, but it really wasn't a hunt for honey. We learned at the end it wasn't honey at all. So during this part, Honey Guide was mad. So I'm going to write Honey Guide was mad. Need a little closer so you can see that. And then I'm going to draw Honey Guide. And she's kind of mad. And she's flying, taking Badger on a trip to look for honey. And then at the end, Badger meets a what? A lion, and he learns a lesson that he should have been sharing with Honey Guide. So at the end, Badger learns a lesson. So I'm going to write Badger learns a lesson. And then I'm going to try to draw Badger again. And I'm going to make a speech bubble, and I'm going to write that he learns that he should probably share. So they were friends, Honey Guide was mad, and then Badger learns a lesson. If you want to do this again on the other side and maybe add some more things that happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end, because there were other events that happened in the story. If you want to finish your pictures and put some color on your pictures, that would be great too. And remember, if you need more time to do the writing or the coloring, you can always pause the video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed talking about our story. I sure did.